Peachtree 2011 adds a new Inventory and Services Management Center that gives you quick access to information about the history of an inventory item. To access this new Management Center, select the Inventory and Services Navigation Center and then click the Inventory and Service Management tab at the top of the window. Record information is provided in a dashboard fashion similar to other areas of Peachtree. Simply select an item or service from the Item ID drop-down to view information about the inventory item, such as total purchases and sales transactions that include the item, how many items are applied to time tickets, how many are on open purchase orders and sales orders, and how many are currently backordered. In addition, the dashboard is completely customizable to fit your needs. Click the Customize This Page icon to select from many available modules that can be displayed on the dashboard. Let's add the Quotes module to the Management Center. Due to the resolution of this demo, the modules stack on top of each other. However, computer monitors provide a higher resolution that usually places the modules in a two-column, side-by-side fashion. Each module uses the same list technology found in other areas of Peachtree, which means that most modules have a choice of date ranges that can be selected, a search feature and transaction-specific filters, as well as drill-down capabilities. Each module can also be customized to display only the information that is important to you. Simply click the Customize Gear icon on a module to view all of the columns that can be added. For example, the Sales Rep column can be added to the Sales Order module so that you can quickly determine which sales reps are actively selling the selected item or service. You can sort the information on each module based on any of the columns displayed. Simply click the column header and the information on the module will resort. You can also print the list using the module's current sort and format. You can send the information to an Excel spreadsheet, attach it to an email, or you can save it in Adobe PDF format. Let's take a look at the Totals module. Because each transaction module provides its own total, the Totals module can contain totals of transactions not listed in the Management Center. Like the Transaction module, the Totals module can be modified the way you want it. To add a new total, click the Add button, where you can select a total type and a custom name for the total, filters if available, and a date range that the total represents. Peachtree will save unique customization and filter settings for every Peachtree user in your office, allowing each user to have a dashboard customized just for them. As you can see, the new Inventory and Services Management Center can really help you determine how an item or service is performing for your business. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, visit us at sageu.com.